Namaste children, welcome back to social science class. Children, in the previous class we learnt about Nayakas of Keladi. I said you, under the control of Vijayanagar Empire, there were many small kings. They are called Nayakas or even chieftains we can call, or also they were called as Palegaras. The places which were ruled by these Palegaras or the chiefs, it was called as Palepattus. Among these, Nayakas of Keladi and Nayakas of Chitradurga are famous. We have already learned Nayakas of Keladi. Now let us learn about Nayakas of Chitradurga. Nayakas of Chitradurga have got prominent place in the Karnataka history. They ruled as chieftains from 16th to 18th century. And 13 chieftains ruled this province, Chitradurga province, for about 211 years. For about 211 years, 13 chieftains they ruled children. Among them, Matti Timmanna Nayaka was the first king of Chitradurga Palepattu. Matti Timmanna Nayaka ruled between 1568 to 1589 CE. Then Kasturi Rangappa Nayaka came to power in the year 1603 and ruled up to 1652 CE. Later, Kasturi Chikkanna Nayaka came to power in the year 1675. He ruled up to 1686 CE. Bichugatti Bharamanna Nayaka ruled from 1681 to 1721 CE. Later, Hiremadakari Nayaka ruled from 1721 to 1749 CE. The very important rulers of Chitradurga Nayakas were Matti Timmanna Nayaka, Kasturi Rangappa Nayaka, Kasturi Chikkanna Nayaka, Bichugatti Baramanna Nayaka, Hiremadakari Nayaka, and Rajaveer Madakari Nayaka. So now let us learn about Rajaveer Madakari Nayaka. Rajaveer Madakari Nayaka is the most powerful and popular among the Nayakas of Chitradurga. He ascended the throne at the age of 12 years, children. Just he was 12 years. He ascended the throne. What is your age, children? Is it around 12 and 13? Yes, right. That means in your age, he started to rule the kingdom, rule Chitradurga Palepattu. He helped Hyder Ali several times during wars. You all know, children, I have already explained to you. They used to have wars between the kingdoms. Many kingdoms were there in and around. So they used to have frequently wars. At that time, Madakari Nayaka used to help Hyder Ali in many wars. But Hyder Ali, he became very jealous. Hyder Ali became very jealous. Jealous of the valor of Madakari Nayaka. Because Madakari Nayaka was a great king and he was known for his bravery and valor. So, Hyder Ali became jealous of the Madakari Nayaka. In order to suppress Madakari Nayaka, Hyder Ali besieges the seven-ringed fort of Chitradurga. But it was an impossible task to occupy such an invincible fort. He could attack on all sides, but even then it was impossible. So, what happened? The soldiers of Hyder Ali, they found a secret entrance. The soldiers of Hyder Ali, they found a secret entrance to the Chitradurga. So what they did is, the soldiers of Hyder Ali, they tried to enter the fort after knowing this secret entrance in the absence of the watchman. When the watchman had gone for the fort, at that time they entered. At that time, Obawa, she is Obawa, the wife of the watchman, she saw the people, the soldiers coming, entering inside the fort. Then with the secret entrance. So what happened? She took her Vanake. This is the wooden pestle, children. Wooden pestle is also called Vanake. Most of in your houses there may be Vanake. Okay, just ask your mother, she will show you. And she took the Onake and she killed the enemies with her wooden pestle. You can see here how she is killing the enemies. See, so many enemies she has killed, and you can see the dead bodies of these Hyder Ali soldiers. And this secret passage is present in the fort of Chitradurga, and it is called as the Obavana Kindi. Even today, children, if you have seen, okay, if you have not seen, please go and visit. You can see this Obavana Kindi. Hyder Ali, who was not prepared to accept the defeat, he did not, this is the secret passage. Hyder Ali, he was not at all prepared to accept the defeat. So what happened? He besieges the fort once again. At that time, Madakari Nayaka was defeated in the fierce war. The dynastic rule of chieftains of Chitradurga province ended with the rule of Madakari Nayaka. And Chitradurga is an attractive hill fort, children. You can see here, attractive hill fort consisting of 7 encircled forts. I will send you one video, children, link. You watch that, you can see how that 7 circled ring it goes. Okay. There are several temples also in the Chitradurga forts. You can see many temples are there, and also there are many tanks also inside Chitradurga, and Bharamasagara and Bhima Samudra tanks are their contributions. And the Nayakas of Chitradurga are known for their bravery and valor. So, children, with this, we will complete this Nayakas of Chitradurga. In next class, let us learn about the Nayakas of Surapura. I'll give you notes, copy down neatly without any mistakes, children. Thank you.